To maintain a digital thermostat for better accuracy, several key practices should be followed. First, ensure that the thermostat is clean. Dust and dirt can interfere with sensors, causing incorrect temperature readings. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any buildup from the device and its sensors regularly. Next, check the thermostat's calibration. A slight shift in calibration can lead to errors in the temperature readings. Compare the thermostat's displayed temperature with a reliable thermometer placed nearby. If discrepancies are found, follow the manufacturer's instructions to recalibrate the thermostat. Some models have automatic calibration features, but for others, manual adjustment might be necessary. Positioning is crucial for maintaining accuracy. Ensure that the thermostat is installed away from heat sources, such as lamps, vents, or direct sunlight, as these can skew the temperature readings. A location that's too close to an air vent, for example, can make the thermostat believe the room is warmer than it actually is, leading to inefficient temperature control. Another factor to consider is the thermostat's power source. If the unit runs on batteries, replace them regularly to avoid power dips that could affect accuracy. For wired models, check that the wiring is intact and connections are secure. Loose or corroded wires can disrupt the thermostat's performance. Lastly, avoid placing the thermostat in humid areas like near bathrooms or kitchens, as moisture can affect the sensors over time. Maintaining a consistent environment around the thermostat is essential to its continued accurate operation.